hours and hours. Just playing on Pandora. Secrets in the closet. Virgo, I was wrong and I'm sorry. Let's see what kind of energy we got. I really get that, you know, somebody does feel like giving up on a person. Look, yeah, love is in the air. I put on a gas mask. Somebody is considering giving up. In what way? I don't know this is. Return. Yeah. Universal law. Intuition. Drink some water. Virgo. I said Virgo. Okay. Universal law. Intuition. Drink more water. Release. Somebody needs to release. Past pain. Can we just talk? Somebody want to talk? Gemini. Could be a Gemini. You could be a Gemini. Libra. Talk that talk, spirit. Failure is not an option, and that's just period. Cancer. Shit, one last time. Virgo. Somebody definitely dealing with a Virgo. Damn. Yeah, definitely Virgo. Yeah. Shit. So if you're dealing with a Virgo, eyes open. Any, mini, money, no energy. Somebody got them options. Let's see what they are. Spirit, I'm just doing a quick read. Check out the energy. Spirit clarified. Universal law. It's messy. Something is going on and it's messy. Nine of Wands. Defense. Defense. Somebody is on the defense. Keep your resources in reserve. Inner strength. Determination to reach the end. With the Eight of Wands at the bottom of the deck, something could be coming in or something went out. Something was sent out or something's coming in. But it is telling you to prepare to keep your resources in reserve. That could be food, that could be money. Could be water. Could be telling you to buy more water. Yeah. Your resources in reserve, telling you to prepare for the next battle. Just because this battle is over, there's always another challenge coming. You're just more equipped to deal with the challenges as they come because you went through so many tests. Universal law. Talk that talk, spirit. What else? Yeah, Ace of Pentacles. After this battle, you're going to be prosperous after this. You're growing. Trust in your own instincts. Others will help. If you're able to rely on your friends and family for support, this is a good time for diet and exercise. So somebody definitely needs to be doing more exercising, and eating better. Whatever that is for you. I'm not going to tell you how to eat. Spirit, clarify this now. Yeah. You're about to be in a position to celebrate. 3 of Cups, harvest. About to get ready to celebrate your harvest. And this is universal law, literally. You may want to study the universal laws. That's definitely something good to know. It definitely will help you with your day-to-day life. A good time for a new project. There's 3 people on this card celebrating with you. This could be the 3 people that will assist you on your new project, your new business venture. Your hard work is being noticed. Somebody could be at a job where it seems like you're going unnoticed. But I promise you, they see you. Somebody also is at a job where when they get home, they still working. But you're not on the clock. Stop doing that. Spirit, clarify intuition. Yeah, stop doing that. Stop working on the clock, off the clock. Ace of Swords. Use your 6th sense. Use your intuition. Think of a problem as opportunities for change. Think of problems as opportunities for change. It's time for you to start walking into your life's mission, and your direction will become clearer. And I keep getting this word, preserve, preserve and reserve, preserve, reserve, reserve, reserve. Spirit is wanting you to put back. They want you to put back. They want you to save. Save for the drought. Could be a drought coming. Like literally some type of drought. Yeah, 8 of Wands. I said it could be a drought coming. This is important news. This could be on the news. Shit, this thing got deep. There could be some type of disaster. Could be a tornado. I don't want to say what I want to say. Spirit. You gain control over your financial life, the 6 of Pentacles. It will become easier to make payments. It'll be easier to pay your bills. But I need you to understand that in your harvest season, also prepare for that drought. Prepare for 2-3 months of drought. Yeah. I don't know why I'm getting this, but this 6 of Pentacles, like it's giving me, like is it the Red Cross or, is it the Red Cross I'm seeing? That helps during like natural disasters. Y'all, it could be some type of natural disaster. And it's calling for the collective to prepare for an event. If I drink more water, my options. What's in the top 10? Spirit, if I drink more water. Dissatisfied. Loss of interest in activities. Depression. 4 of Cups. Drink more water. Get outside. Get out of this mood. Spirit, clarify, drink more water. I promise it makes you feel so much better. I feel so much lighter when I fast. Loss, bad advice, grief. So you could be going through something right now or have experienced like some type of loss that has you in this 4 of Cups energy, just not wanting to be bothered, depressed. You could be having anxiety attacks, asthma attacks. You could be having suicidal thoughts. No sense of direction. Not taking care of yourself. Unexpected money. Unexpected money. But first, get out of this energy. Get out of this energy. And it could have been because of broken promises. Yeah. Yeah. People just not keeping their word. 7. You could be seeing 7s. Got 2 7s. 14. You tired of people not keeping their word. You tired of it. You tired of people not keeping their word. Saying they're gonna do something and then don't follow through, don't do it. It's like, why even lie and say you're gonna, like, I didn't even ask you for that lie. I didn't even ask you for that lie. I can't remember who I used to hear saying that, like, you don't owe me no lie. Like, what? Buddy, you don't owe me no lie. You don't. Yeah. Tired of people breaking their promises, not following through on their obligations, their responsibilities, having to pick up the slack for other people because they not doing what they supposed to be doing. Yeah, you tired of picking up the slack. What'd I just say? You tired of picking up the slack and you putting your fucking foot down. And the moment you put your foot down, the unexpected money. Oh, I know I said I was going to get it back to you. Well, hand it here. Shit. People make it easy to ask you for something, but when it's time to give it back, crickets. Crickets. Feel me. Get out of this energy. Get out of this 4 of Cups energy. And understand that people gonna do what they want to do. Don't take nothing personal. I tell anybody, read the 4 agreements. Master those laws. Don't take nothing personal. It's never nothing personal. That person could be going through something. It's something they haven't healed. The more you start to understand that, the easier things become, because you have a inner knowing. You understand. You understand what's going on. Yeah. And you tired of being chained to these people. Sick of it. I'm just getting a sick energy, like just sick and tired. Queen of Wands. You're going to step into your Queen of Wands energy if you're not already in it. The Queen of Wands is a very strong, smart, with that black cat right there. Intuitive. She has an inner knowing. She knows what she should be doing. She knows which direction she's headed. And she know that these people cannot go with her. She know that. And I could be speaking to a male also. So don't just think because I'm saying Queen of Wands that I'm just talking to feminine energy. This could also be a masculine. Make no sense. Grown people breaking promises, like, for what? Like, what do you get out of that? Yeah. Come in and offering this little ass cup just to not even follow through. You can do everything but give me my money back. You can do everything but help me with your kids. You sick, Queen of Swords, and you sick of it. The Queen of Swords don't put you, you know, she's gonna tell you the truth. She's gonna tell you the truth. I'm tired of carrying these burdens on your own. And I can't say that I blame you. I Hate You by SZA is on Pandora. 8 of Wands. But something's coming in. Spirit, clarify this 8 of Wands. Okay, Spirit. Now motherfucker wanna have relations. Tank when we no. No. And I'm gonna tell you this right now. If somebody don't take care of their responsibilities, the children, they got older parents they'll never go see. That's a problem. It's a red flag. You need to go on It's a no for me. Spirit, clarify this 8 of Wands. No, we can't even, I won't even get wet for you because you don't even take care of your responsibilities. How that work? What I look like? What you look like? No, we ain't doing that this year. It's 2022. 8 of Wands. Something is coming out. Oh, shit. The Moon and the 3 of Pentacles. Something coming out about what some people were doing. Oh, shit. Spirit, tell me more about this 3. What were they doing in secret? What were these 3 people doing in secret? They either were holding someone bondage, literally, or wanted to keep someone stuck. 8 of Swords. Who did they want to keep stuck in this 8 of Swords energy, Spirit? Who are they trying to keep stuck? The 3 of Cups. They wanted to keep either you stuck from celebrating, they wanted to keep you stuck from leaving.